Good morning, guys. Welcome to my everyday routine. So I thought of doing a tutorial similar to the Vogue Beauty Secrets, like what Rihanna did. So I'm gonna do my everyday makeup routine and my skincare routine for what I use, the products I use every day. I already washed my face. My favorite facial wash is this one. I so love this facial wash, and sometimes I use this facial wash. It's a Korean brand. It is, I think you can get this from SM as well, in Watson's. And facial cleansers that I use are mostly Korean brands, and then this one is also one of my favorite facial cleansers, and this is very foamy, and this has a real fresh foam green tea inside, and it smells so good. You have to try this one. Get it from Watson's as well, they have that. Also, another Korean brand facial wash that I like is this one. I'm sure those Korean addicts know this brand already. This is my favorite. I'm not sure if you've heard of this brand. It's called Amira. It doesn't look fancy. It looks really fake, but this really does. I've been using this for years, ever since I was in college. So it's been like 10 years. And this really made my skin so smooth and poreless. I swear to this product. It's called Amira. And I put that all over my face every night and every morning. So guys, for my favorite sunblock, this is what it looks like. I love this sunblock because it says here, new velvet technology. It really feels like a velvet cream. It's like so smooth. After sunblock, my favorite one that I use for my pimples, but I just use it at night, is this Mario Badesco, and this is very effective for your pimples. To have that really soft lips, my favorite one is this lip scrub from Lush. And for my lip balm, it's from Lush as well. Go on to my base makeup. So usually, well, I don't really wear my makeup every day. The kind of makeup that I use is either I go without BB cream or with BB cream. Today I feel like I'll just, okay, so this way. Next would be concealer. This is my favorite concealer. It's Cinema Secrets. So I just normally do this. I'm just using my hands. Baby, I don't give up easily. Okay, now next, oh my gosh, for my eyebrows, Anastasia. I start here, another one on top. You just shade the inner part of your brows. brows is done. The Benetint. This is very basic for your everyday makeup. There we go. So for my everyday highlights, I don't use powder. Sometimes I do, but usually I want my face to look like really natural, kind of like dewy-ish finish. So what I use is this liquid highlighter from ColourPop. This is made of amethyst crystals, so I hope it gives me that amethyst crystal vibe. See that? I'll contour my nose. Wonder stick. Line edge. Draw a line there and here as well. And the trick is you should draw here. Like that. And this one here. Blend. I either use this palette or the Urban Decay Naked, so I use this too. I love the Urban Decay because it's the more natural brown one, and then when I wanted to have like a pink shade on my eyebrows, I use this one. So today I'm gonna use this one, just blend it. Yeah, so I'll make sure that it's just minimal lining. So I'll just line, have a really thin line on my eyelids going up here. Really thin. This would be for my lips. I love using the Gemini, the Calabasas, and the Androgyny. This is so expensive here in the Philippines. Like 1,300 for one in Freya. But this Christmas they had it on sale for 600 pesos, but you know, they only have limited colors now. But this one is my favorite. Jeffree Star. For my lashes, I don't really use this kinds of lashes that where you put I just glue my lashes every time I go on night outs, and I feel like when I need to go on special events. But on a normal everyday basis, I go to Kiosa. Now I need to go back there because it's all falling apart. But you see, it's very light. Okay, so I guess. Hi, Vogue.